So as it is, I'm practically running errands. I won't call it errands per se. I'm going to go and do my hair. So I think I'm a little bit behind schedule, right? So I'm just trying to prep my hair because I don't want my hair to be manipulated too much and all of that. So yeah, that is why I like combing my hair before leaving, because I'm trying to reduce hair breakage and hair shedding. So yeah, so I have previously detangled this hair before. I don't know why it is acting up now. Anyway, so I'll be making Brazilian twist. It's been long I did Brazilian wool-ish, so I'll be showing you how the extension looks like. Hold on. So this is how it looks like. This is a pack of 12. I don't know how many I'll be using, but nonetheless, I just like buying in bulk like this. Whatever remains, we thank the Lord. So I don't want to be stranded. That's why I used to buy like the whole pack. So whatever I use, I'll let you guys know at the end of the day. We don't want our lips to be looking crusty. So I think this is manageable. You guys will manage it like that. Anyway, I'll be back. Hold on. I'm one of those that like, carrying my stuff to the salon. Yeah, I don't like sharing comb actually. So here with me, I have my detangling combs. I have my shine and jam gel in case if, the stylist is not having. Then I also have my leave-in conditioner. I don't want somebody pulling my hair. I've worked too hard to retain length. I don't want anybody breaking it off. Then I have like my cotton comb that I was telling you guys about the other day. So I practically just have like this that I'm going to be taking to the salon because I don't want anybody yanking off my hair. So yeah, let's continue detangling the hair. So this is how the back of my hair look like. So yeah, I have previously detangled it because I washed my hair a day before, like yesterday rather. So I'm just, trying to prep it for my salon visit. I cannot obviously take my hair like that to the salon. So yeah, I'll just try and secure this one that has been previously detangled so that I don't manipulate it over and over again. So that's one tip you need to know. Don't continually manipulate your hair, and don't, add this section to this and detangle all of them again. Detangle this one separately. When you're done, you pack it up with this. Do you understand? I hope that is self-explanatory. Where is my ribbon? I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. So I'll just try and secure this one. And yeah, try and secure this. Then continue with my detangling process. Yeah, so that's basically how I prep my hair. I apply leave-in conditioner, make it well moisturized. Then I detangle it. Like I said previously, they have been detangled, like these sections have been detangled before. That was yesterday, but I like doing them over again. So yeah. That's why it's this soft. So for this one, I'll just do the same thing for all sections. I'm actually hurrying because I think I'm running behind schedule already. So I'm trying. So this is the next section. So I'll just go ahead and detangle it separately. As you can see, I'm not joining into the previously detangled section to avoid over manipulation of my hair. So yeah. So once I'm done, I will just add it to the previously detangled hair like I earlier mentioned. So I'll just put it right there, as you can see. Then I'll go over to the next one. So it's just more or less like prepping my hair as a whole. So yeah, I'll see you guys possibly when I'm at the salon already, or when I'm on my way. Either way, you guys will still see me, or maybe when I'm done with the style. I don't know. but just stay tuned. Right. So this is how my hair looks like when it is fully detangled. It is full, luscious, and ready for the next protective style. So I've told you guys to always detangle in sections. Ensure that is what you do before going to the salon. So this is it. I'm already here. Finally, I cannot wait to have my hair session running. So she started by sectioning the hair and all of that. Then this is the size I finally went for, because I explained to her that I don't want the wool to be too heavy on my scalp, and I don't want to feel any form of uneasiness. So what we did was we decided not to use too much of the wool per hair strand, right? Do you get? So that is why I came up with this size, medium, and this size of twist. So yeah, this is just her sectioning it with gel and like that, twisting up the wool. And I must say the process was rather fast as opposed to what I initially thought. It was way faster than I envisaged. So this is just me. I'm so tired at this point. I am extremely tired, but anyway, the hair is coming out fine. So it was around almost 7 p.m. Nigerian time. As of now, I was exhausted, I was tired, I was hungry. I just couldn't wait to be done with the hair. And one fact about me is that I don't really look forward to salon day. Yeah. You can bank on it. You can put 100. Anyway, this is the final look. I could not film anymore because I left there around past 7 Nigerian time. This is me filming the next morning. The hair came out lush, it came out beautiful, very neat. I must say my hairstylist ate hands down. So yeah, this is it. At least I can carry this for like a month or so. And yeah, what I did was I attached attachments or extension to the tip so that we can do that coil-ish and all of that. So the attachment is in color 33, and voila, just to give it a different vibe. So tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Will you be trying it? Would you put it on your bucket list and all of that? I must say I'm loving the hair, and I'm glad that I decided to go on with the wool and not attachments, because attachments it's just a lot for me right now, like doing attachment, trying to sleep at night and all. I needed something lightweight that I could easily pull through it, because I'm tender scalp headed. But anyway, you can bank on it, you can put 100. See you in my next. Bye guys. You can bank on it, you can put 100 gram on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.